How to get Spotify Premium. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have the latest version of the Spotify application. So let's tap on the search bar and search for Spotify just to make sure we have an updated version. So as you can see on the screen, there's an option of update, which means we have the latest version of Spotify application. So let's tap on open. Now you must log into your account on Spotify. So after you have logged into your account, you can see there are different options at the bottom of the screen, from home, search, your library, premium to create. Now let's tap on the premium section where you can see different premium packages or different plans over here. You can select whichever is more convenient for you. So you can see the premium versions for individuals, students and family, and duo as well. So you can select whichever is more convenient for you. I'm going to tap and show you on individual over here. So you can just try 1 month for $0, and here you can choose how to pay. So you can continue with Spotify, you can choose with pay with Spotify or Google Play, and you can pay through Spotify with a supported payment method. So you just have to tap on continue with Spotify, and you can simply enter your data and your credentials about your payment method. And as you do this Spotify checkout, you can simply just get the Spotify Premium. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.